Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, I'll show you the two fastest and most trusted ways to install Minecraft mods, CurseForge and MultiMC. We'll start with CurseForge, the community's go-to platform for safe and efficient mod installation. First, let's fire up your preferred browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type in CurseForge and hit enter. Look for the top result that leads to curseforge.org. That's our destination. Okay, we're on CurseForge's homepage. Right away, you'll notice the Minecraft category prominently displayed. It's impressive to see that there are 188,000 mods available for Minecraft. That's a lot of potential for customizing your game. But before we dive into that treasure trove of mods, we need to get the mods installer. Look to the top right corner of the page and click the Get CurseForge app button. This will take you to the download page, where you'll be presented with two options: download on Overwolf or download standalone. While Overwolf offers additional gaming features and overlays, the standalone version is lighter and perfect if you're just interested in mod installation. Click on Download Standalone and choose where you want to save the installer file on your computer. Once you've selected your preferred location, click Save to start the download. Now, locate the installer file you just downloaded and launch it by double-clicking. When the install window appears, you'll first need to select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Once you've made your selection, click Next to proceed. At this point, you'll need to confirm that you're at least 18 years old by ticking the checkbox. If you're under 18, don't worry. We'll cover an alternative method later in this video that might be more suitable for you. For now, if you meet the age requirement, click Next to continue. The next screen presents you with the privacy policy. Take a moment to review it if you'd like, then click Accept and Install to proceed with the installation. Now, we'll need to wait a moment while the installer does its work. This might take a minute or two, depending on your computer's speed. Once the installation completes, the CurseForge client will automatically launch and offer you an introduction tour. While this can be helpful for first-time users, we'll skip it for now to keep our tutorial focused. However, feel free to go through it on your own time. It offers some useful insights into the client's features. Before we can start working with mods, we need to log into CurseForge. Look for the Login to CurseForge button and give it a click. This will redirect you to your browser, where you'll have several login options to choose from. You can sign in using your Google, Twitch, Discord, or GitHub account. Pick whichever is most convenient for you. Now that we're logged in and back in the client, we need to configure our Minecraft locations so the client can recognize your existing installation. This is a crucial step that ensures CurseForge can properly manage your mods. Click on the Minecraft thumbnail to proceed. CurseForge will now ask you to set up its Minecraft modding folder. You'll be presented with two options: Standard, which automatically manages everything for you and is perfect for beginners, and Advanced, which gives you more control over folder locations but requires more technical knowledge. I'll go with Standard for this demonstration. Click Continue to proceed. Now we're ready to explore the exciting world of mods and mod packs. Click Browse Mod Packs to see what's available. This will open a page showcasing all the available mod packs. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You can sort and filter these packs based on various criteria. Pay attention to important details like download counts, which indicate a mod pack's popularity, and the last update date to ensure you're getting something current and well-maintained. Each mod pack has an install button ready for when you find something you like. Let me pick something out to test it. Let's scroll down through the options and see what catches our eye. Skyblock looks interesting. It's a popular mod pack that completely changes how you play Minecraft. Let's install it by clicking the Install button. This might take a moment as there's quite a bit to download. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a play button appear. Click it, and CurseForge will launch your Minecraft launcher automatically. Inside the launcher, you'll notice your newly installed mod is already selected and ready to go. Press play to launch the game, and we're in. The mod pack is successfully installed. You might notice my UI looks a bit smaller than usual, but that's easily adjustable in the settings. Now, let's explore what else CurseForge has to offer. Look at the drop-down menu where it says Mod Packs. There's a whole world of content to discover. You've got mods for adding individual gameplay modifications, resource packs for changing how your game looks, shaders for enhancing the lighting and visual effects, and worlds for downloading pre-built Minecraft maps. For demonstration purposes, let's install a single mod. Click the Mods section, and let's try out the After Dark mod. Click Install, and CurseForge will ask where you'd like to add this mod. You can either add it to an existing game profile or create a new one. Let's create a new profile and call it Modded. Pay special attention to the Minecraft versions you're installing in the profile. Mixing different versions can cause compatibility issues and crashes, so it's crucial to match versions when adding multiple mods. Click Create to set up the new profile and give it a moment to install. Once it's done, you're all set. To play your modded version, simply launch the new modded profile we just created. If you ever need to remove or deactivate mods, just go inside the profile where all these options are readily available. And remember, you can always add more mods to this profile. Just make sure to check those version numbers to maintain compatibility, as mixing different versions can lead to game crashes or unstable performance. Now, let's explore our second method using MultiMC. This lightweight, dedicated Minecraft launcher has been a favorite in the modding community for years, known for its clean interface and powerful customization options. Let's download MultiMC. Fire up your favorite search engine, type in MultiMC, and hit enter. In the search results, look for the top result that leads to MultiMC's official website. Once you're there, click on the Download and Install section. On the download page, you'll need to choose your operating system. I'll select Windows for this demonstration and click Download. Choose where you want to save the file when prompted. Now, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Since it comes as a compressed archive, you'll need to extract it first. Open the extracted folder and look for multimc.exe. That's our launcher. Launch it. The first time you run MultiMC, you'll need to do some quick setup. Start by selecting your preferred language from the menu. Click Next to proceed. You'll then need to select a Java executable. Don't worry if this sounds technical, just go with the starred selection that MultiMC recommends. Click Finish to complete the initial setup. And we're in. But before we can start modding, we need to connect your Minecraft profile. Look for the Profiles button in the top right corner and click it. Here you can add either your Microsoft or Mojang profile, which gives MultiMC access to your legitimate copy of Minecraft. Now we can set up new instances, which are basically separate installations of Minecraft that can be individually customized with different mods and settings. Click Add Instance in the top left corner. This opens up a world of possibilities. You can select any Minecraft version, even from the game's earliest days. MultiMC lets you filter versions based on several categories: releases for stable, official versions, snapshots for the latest experimental features, old snapshots for historical test versions, betas from Minecraft's beta period, alphas from even earlier development, and experiments for cutting-edge test versions. Let's add a basic instance with the currently latest version. Select the version from the list. You can give it a name or add it to a group if you want to keep things organized. Click OK to create the instance. To launch your new instance, simply double-click it. One of the great features of MultiMC is that it bypasses the regular Minecraft launcher and launches the game directly, saving you time and clicks. You can also right-click on any instance to access various features, most importantly, edit instance, view mods, and other customization options. We'll save the more advanced features for another tutorial, as there's quite a bit to explore there. Let's add another instance, this time specifically for mods. Click Add Instance again, name it Modded, and save it. Now, either right-click on the instance and select Edit Instance, or click Edit Instance in the menu column on the right side. This takes us to the heart of MultiMC's power, the customization interface where all the magic happens. Let's explore the edit window's left side, where you'll find all your customization options. Under Version, you can set your Minecraft and mod loader versions. Loader Mods is where you'll manage your installed mods. Resource Packs lets you add visual and audio customizations, while Shader Packs handles graphics enhancements. The Notes section is perfect for keeping track of your modifications or reminders. Moving down, you've got Worlds for accessing saved games specific to this instance, Servers for managing your multiplayer connections, and Screenshots for viewing your in-game captures. Under Settings, you can configure instance-specific options like memory allocation or Java arguments. Finally, Other Logs gives you access to additional log files for troubleshooting. On the right side, you'll find various mod loader installation options. Install Forge and NeoForge lets you run Forge-compatible mods, Install Fabric handles Fabric-compatible mods, and Install Quilt offers similar functionality to Fabric, but with additional community-driven features. For those working with older Minecraft versions, Install Lightloader allows for lightweight, typically client-side modifications. Each of these mod loaders provides the essential framework and APIs needed to run mods in Minecraft. After adding your chosen mod loader, you can install specific mods through the Install Mods option. Remember, individual mods are separate enhancements or features, while mod packs are pre-configured collections of mods bundled together, often themed, requiring a compatible mod loader like Forge or Fabric to run. Let's create one more instance specifically for mod packs. Under the Vanilla section, you'll find several options for adding complete mod packs. Import from Zip lets you import instances or mod packs from zip files or URLs. Modrinth connects you to the popular Modrinth modding platform. AT Launcher, FTB App Import, FTB Legacy, and Technic options let you import mod packs from their respective platforms. For this demonstration, I'll add the Pixelmon mod from AT Launcher. Select it and click OK. Now we just need to wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, let's take a peek inside this mod pack by editing the instance. Under the Version section, you can see both Minecraft and Forge are installed. Looking at Loader Mods, you'll find all the individual mods that make up this mod pack. And under Resource Packs, there's even a custom audio pack installed to enhance your experience. That's pretty much what's inside this mod pack. Now you can launch and play it. And there you have it, tech enthusiasts. We've explored two powerful methods for installing Minecraft mods using CurseForge and MultiMC. With MultiMC, you can create various instances, group them however you like, and play them without any conflicts. Each instance remains separate and customizable, giving you complete control over your Minecraft modding experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Until next time, happy crafting!